As we started this book, we knew that we couldn't just focus on reading as it's often defined. If we just think of the narrow idea of decoding a word or two words or a sentence on a page, then we're missing so much about what it means to be a literate human being in the 21st century especially. So we had to dig into what literacy really means. And those who work in early childhood have already embraced the idea that literacy has never been just about reading. It's about speaking, listening, writing, and reading. To be a literate human being, you really need all four of those skills. So how do you build those really early in children? You do that through all sorts of modeling of the way adults use different media to speak, to write, to listen, and to read. And bring those ideas into your engagements with kids even at very young ages. So those four pieces were certainly critical to us as we tried to tackle this. But we also knew that in the 21st century, literacy has taken on, it just becomes a huge term. There's digital literacy, and there's media literacy, and there's the new literacy, and there's 21st century literacy, and so far none of that's been all that well defined, right? But what underpins a lot of it is this idea that there's so much information streaming at us these days, and a lot of it's audio-visual information as well as just words on a page, and that to be able to be the real kind of critical thinkers that we need for the 21st century, children are going to have to kind of make sense of information in all forms that's coming at them. So we really tried to tackle in this book and our research moving forward literacy in a broad sense, recognizing that the basics are absolutely important and needed, and knowing how to read words on a page is very much part of it, but it really is part of it and not the whole thing, and that we have to be looking at how to help teachers and librarians and others that build their skills to help children learn this broader idea of literacy.